Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, or the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now, we've got some interesting news coming out today. Ripple and XRP bracing for billions of dollars in inflows as a special ETF bid likely to trigger the institutional gold rush. Bring it on. That's all I'm going to say. We've got some interesting things happening in the presidential campaign here with crypto with Joe Biden. Very, very interesting right here. Of course, we've got some bullish news for Solana. Incredible. We've got PYUSD going live on the Solana network. That is PayPal's stablecoin. That is bullish. Some interesting trading going on with Shiba Inu as well. Someone just held it for 3 years. And sitting on some nice profit right there. And when will the Ethereum ETFs actually go live? And Kathy Woods believes the Ethereum ETFs were linked to US politics. And again, we all know this, right? It's the favorite child of Gary Gensler, right? Anyway, I'm going to go over my trading bots as well with 3 commas now on Gate.io, which again is for us here in Australia anyway, and potentially around the country, around the world anyway. It's working really nicely. So let's get into all of the information. I don't want to keep you guys too long. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are just getting pretty crazy in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. So make sure you give it a good thumbs up. It doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Thank you very much. You guys rock. Also, a little disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff, all right? I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. And yes, my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. All right, formalities are out of the way. Straight to community tab today. This evening, top altcoins in my portfolio were AMP, XPR, Proton, Constellation DAG, Nexra, and XDC. Nice, all right? Very, very bullish on XDC, as everybody knows. And yes, there's some interesting analysis coming out here. Again, are you ready for this upcoming bull market? I don't think a lot of people are. And quite frankly, I think a lot of people are tired, are bored, not really interested that much until things go crazy. And then everyone starts getting interested in it, right? But this is the key. You need to be interested when the market's quiet. Anyway, we're going to get into that in a second. Let's go to CoinMarketCap and see what's going on in the markets. It is a sea of red. Literally. Again, someone's selling a shitload of Bitcoin today, that is for sure. $2.5 trillion, $83 billion in volume. It's up 22%, which is good. 52.94% on the Bitcoin dominance, and of course 61 on the Fear and Greed Index. Bitcoin sitting at $67,632. Ethereum's at $3,730. We've got Solana at $165 today. XRP's at 51 cents. I'm going to go over my favorite coins, the banking coins. $18 USD for Link. Let's keep scrolling down. Hedera, 10 cents. We have XLM at 10 cents as well. Very, very nice to see that. Still incredibly undervalued. VeChain, utility, pain in the ass. I absolutely love it though. Sui's at 99 cents. This is awesome, this project. Go and have a look at it. Raoul Power is actually really bullish on Sui as well. Just go check that out, as well as Solana. That's definitely a gem in my opinion. ALGO is at 18 cents. And not literally the only one. This one here, I did open a bot. Actually, I did include this in the bots, by the way. It's up 32% today, which is crazy. Flare as well, 2 cents. Quant is at $90. WorldCoin is a banking coin, ladies and gents. Digital identity. What's his name? ChatGPT founder Sam Altman, I believe that's his name. $4.83. And again, let's have a look at XDC today, which is further down, by the way, I should say. Down this list, ladies and gentlemen, down here. It's up today in the green slightly. It's still at 3 cents, which is really, really cool. And Casper, where is Casper down here? This is definitely further down. Right here, 2 cents. Very, very low. 191 on the coin list, which is interesting. Anyway, Make sure you go check out the Wall Street Bull University because I post up this every single day. Now, let's go to Crypto Bubbles. And yes, before I do have the Wall Street Bull University link below. I put up all my buys, sells, trades, indicators, trading bots, you name it. All goes up in here, as well as, more importantly, my dividend investing, which I will post up after this video because I've just been dollar cost averaging into my portfolio every single week. So that provides cash flow every single day. People need cash flow. The most important thing anyone needs, especially during these difficult times that we're all going through, is freaking cash flow. And dividend stocks are a great way to do that whilst you're sleeping. So you're earning that cash flow and passive income. That's bullish. There's 2,039 posts of information in there. Very, very useful. Go join up. Link is below. Having a quick look at 3 commas. Now, again, I did make some adjustments to the trading box. I reduced that leverage down to 5x because it was just getting a bit crazy. They're working really well. They actually are working really well. They're trading for me 24 hours a day, and I'm waiting on some additional capital to throw that in because, you know, things are pretty expensive at the moment. But anyway, so I've got these 2 bots running both long and short, trading basically all the perpetual contracts on Gate.io, which I was doing basically with OKX back in the day before all the Australian regulator shut them down for that. Anyway, I do have on OKX my spot trading, which is basically set and forget. So I'm setting and forget those. I'm trading the spot trading bots with Bitcoin, Immutable X, Link, Ethereum Classic, XRP, Cardano. We have Polkadot as well, Matic, Mina, Optimism, and Solana. Of course, that is an absolute given. But the trading bots are basically on 3 commas. The link is below for this. You can trade with multi-bots. So I've only got 2 bots set up. That's all you need. Or you can trade single pairs. It's completely and utterly up to you, whatever you choose to do. But I'm using the 2 bots to trade all of them because I'll capture that market movement everywhere. Now, quickly look at Gate.io. By the way, they are a new official sponsor of my channel, and it's a great exchange. I've been using it now for the last 3 days. It's freaking awesome. Here are all the bots currently in profit at the moment, as you can see right here. A lot of deals opened up, 43 deals and 86 in the books. To do this, basically trading, day trading, it's going to be very hard for you to do that and sit in front of a computer all day, every day. It's just too much. So again, I've set up these to trade for me, which is awesome. So go check it out. It's really, really cool. There were a couple of liquidations today. The beautiful thing about this on Gate.io, which I couldn't use on Bybit, is the isolated leverage. Now, if you don't know anything about that, cross leverage, basically, if you get liquidated from a position, it's going to liquidate from your entire trading account on, like, for example, Bybit. It's an absolute nightmare. Whereas with Gate.io, it's exactly the same thing as what OKX is. Isolated position, and it basically only isolates that one deal, so you don't get liquidated across all of your trading account. Really, really cool stuff right there. But don't go too crazy on the leverage, ladies and gents. And if you're an emotional trader, buckle up because the market's pretty volatile at the moment. That is all in the Wall Street Bull University linked below. Trading the markets. Who doesn't want to trade the markets? Now, getting into the news, I'm not going to go to Crypto Bubbles because it's literally just a sea of red. Great dollar cost averaging opportunities. Literally the only one in the green is up 129% this week, and that's at 1 cent. That is not coin. That's insanity right there. That is crazy. I might have to open a single pair just for that bot, and set up a bot just for that. Now, we've got Ripple and XRP bracing for $1 billion of inflows right here for a special ETF bid likely to trigger institutional gold rush. I honestly believe and feel that there would be more interest in XRP than, to be honest, with Ethereum, right? I don't know. I just have this funny feeling about it. Just given the fact of its utility, what it's used for, low transaction fees, there's going to be a lot more institutional interest in this. Yes, it will be a gold rush. And yes, the recent approval of the Ethereum ETFs by the SEC has ignited fervent debate within the crypto community about the future or similar financial instruments of other digital assets. And at the center of this debate is XRP, one of the most popular cryptos, which has become a focal point of speculation for discussion regarding the potential for an XRP ETF in the United States. A recent poll by prominent XRP community member, again, this is Jay Seifert right here, and of course Vet, putting out a very, very interesting poll right here, but 66% of us said there will be an ETF in 2025. I believe it will be sooner. I think they're just going to start making applications once the Ethereum ones are done. Next will probably, of course, be Solana or XRP. So they're the next ones in line, for sure. Now, advocates for XRP ETF argue that the introduction could lead to a substantial increase in institutional investment. They believe that the ETF would provide a regulated and accessible entry point for institutional investors, which could in turn lead to the surge in XRP adoption, of course. Now again, the proponents right here suggest that the increased participation would enhance XRP's legitimacy and stability in the market. Yes, I think it definitely would calm everybody down, but historical data supports this view, as Bitcoin's rise to new all-time high was partly attributed to the approval of Bitcoin ETFs earlier this year. People need to understand that when these happen, it's going to be too late. It was just going to go parabolic. That will happen. Political drama unfolds as Joe Biden's camp changes tone on crypto. Why didn't you do that before? Madness. Biden's camp seems to have suddenly realized that the potential impact on their stance of crypto may have on a presidential race that will most likely go to the wire. And in what might be a surprising turn of events, President Joe Biden's re-elected campaigners began reaching out to key players within the crypto industry. According to a report, Biden's team is keen to learn from those who know the intricacies of the crypto community and the crypto policy. And it's amazing that now this is happening because obviously Donald Trump just started speaking about cryptocurrencies, and it's just... anyway, I'm not going to get into politics. I could go on for hours about this, but this one I love. PayPal stablecoin is now live on the Solana blockchain, a mutually beneficial move to connect the token to millions of merchants. That is freaking awesome. The latest network welcomes PayPal's United States dollar-pegged stablecoin PYUSD, and I love this, but has been gone live on the Solana blockchain, making it one of the top networks that have showcased its support to the stablecoin. This new collaboration is beneficial for both PayPal and Solana, with potentials for millions of users to gain access to the token with guaranteed speed. This is huge. Specifically, the new integration provides PayPal with the opportunity to leverage Solana and token extension to serve more than 30 million merchants globally, while offering users transactions at lower costs. And this marks a milestone for USD pegged stable coin and its first move beyond the Ethereum ecosystem. That is bullish as anything. That's freaking awesome. Love that. There was an interesting news article I just put up for a bit of fun. So there was a trader who held Shiba Inu for a while and has made some profits. After being dormant for 3.5 years, the super diamond trader finally sold Shiba Inu at a profit. He spent $2,625 to buy 48 billion Shiba Inu in February 2021 and sold it for 278.7 ETH. $1.1 million just now, gain of 419x. That's nice profit right there, but there will be tax applicable if he's going to pay that. Anyway, be careful with that. Eric Balkanis right here announces the launch date for the approved Ethereum ETFs, which is very, very nice to see that as well. May 21st, the seed capital investor affiliate BlackRock sponsor purchased initial shares at $25 a share. Let's get to the good news right here. When are these going to be listed? Let's just keep scrolling down. Sorry, guys. Okay, BlackRock's with Bitcoin ETF I sets a promising precedent for Ethereum counterpart. The update shortly after the commission. Right, so here we go. We do have by the end of June that they could be starting to trade, which is very, very nice to see this. We're not that far away, only about 4 weeks. So people need to be patient. So 4 weeks, we could see that go live. And this is an interesting one. Kathy Woods, she's incredible, but she's made a good point right here. And sorry about all these freaking pop-ups. Oh my God. Has stated that the crypto has become a significant political issue in the United States. Elections leading to the unexpected approval of the Ethereum ETFs. And Woods expressed surprise at the approval, stating that the read was it was good to be approved. It was absolutely not going to be approved. She further explained that the sentiment around the financial innovation, technology, 21st century, the FIT 21 evolved in the House. And Wood also pointed out that Donald Trump increasing comfort with Bitcoin and cryptos. This was definitely a political issue, for sure. And everyone's trying to get in favor with people to get the votes. We all know this, but definitely, it was a political decision to approve them. And now, again, as I just mentioned to you, the strategy is now changed for retail investors. But anyway, to target crypto investors, right, and companies. Money going into BNB, Stacks. We have money going into TRX, Lido DAO, We have Ethereum, Bitcoin as well. Let's go to X, and then we'll end up on here, ladies and gents. Thank you to those 6,460 people. You guys absolutely rock. And moving down right here, we do have a video on the Solana PYUSD stablecoin. Have a look at this.
To the left, we have the point of sale checkout. And to the right, we have a mobile Solana wallet. So the merchant would simply enter the checkout amount and generate a Solana Pay transaction request. The mobile wallet would then scan the QR code, which prompts the user to confirm a transaction. Once the customer confirms the transaction, the payment is sent from the customer's wallet to the merchant account.
That's so quick.
Here we have a basic demo for a point of sale checkout using P1.
It's just instantaneous. That is awesome. Yes, KuCoin has just been targeted by the Australian regulator this evening. Just received that email. So KuCoin has to comply. Same thing as OKX. And I don't understand why. They've probably got an office here in Australia, but this is what happens, right? Crazy. Have a listen to Michael Saylor.
Different than the ideas of the last 30 years. We need something new, and that manifests itself in a groundswell of support for Bitcoin, a groundswell of support for crypto, a groundswell of support for digital assets, and a new way to see the world on Wall Street, on Main Street, on Capitol Hill, in Europe, in Hong Kong and London, etc. And so this is maybe the most exciting time, in my life, and maybe in the history of Bitcoin. I think it's a pretty exciting time. There's a move.
It is a very exciting time, I will say that. Cynthia Loomis right here says Bitcoin and crypto will be an important part of our economy going forward unless we blow it. Yeah, I agree. I'm not going to play that as well. We did talk about Gary Gensler and the $1.8 million fine. It should be a lot more than that. It should be a $2 billion fine to the SEC. But I mean, that's taxpayers' money, right? Crazy. And Fear and Greed Next is sitting at 73. Humble, stay humble, and stack sats. Yeah, I agree. MasterCard as well. Crypto Credential has gone live tonight, or basically now. Anyway, it's awesome. But with its first peer-to-peer transactions, this solution not only replaces complex wallet addresses and user-friendly aliases, but also making and sending blockchain transactions secure, transparent, and accessible. This is the way of the freaking future. Follow the money, ladies and gents. Anyway, that is pretty much it for tonight, Bulls. I'll speak to everyone tomorrow. Have a good night, good afternoon, and good morning. And if it's morning, have a double shot espresso. Take care of yourselves. Join the Wall Street Bull University. I'm going to be posting up some stuff there later on tonight. All right, peace out, guys.